Mike, what are you doing?
Trying to get a little breakfast.
Hey, but they're at the breakfast, and we're not at the breakfast.
We're not at the breakfast, but that doesn't mean we can't eat breakfast,
well, maybe,
right?
Maybe you should wait till afterwards.
You think?
Well, I don't think it's polite to be eating while we're trying to talk to everybody.
Should you take that for me?
Anyway,
Thanks.
where are his manners? And mine. I'm Bridget Blythe, everybody.
And I'm Mike Randall.
Sorry we couldn't be there for the breakfast this morning, but we're really excited about what you guys are doing to make strides against breast cancer.
And look I wore pink, and I think that's really important.
Well, you absolutely get points for that.
I only have one pink tie.
Oh.
And this is it. I need to take care of it.
Well, we appreciate it. Plus, I like coordinating with you. Hey, they have Making Strides Against Breast Cancer walks all across the country. My aunt is a breast cancer survivor. I've told you guys that before. Here she is, Aunt Stephanie in Westchester County, where she participates every year in the Making Strides event. So we're really excited about you guys getting your teams together and raising your money.
Yeah, even though we can't be at the breakfast, we do want to get you all charged up and ready to go and get out there and raise a lot of money. Get a lot of awareness.
We'll be there for the walk ourselves on October 3rd.
Now, I know we're hosting and we're walking. I just wasn't sure. Which are we doing first? Are we hosting first, then walking, or walking first?
We host and then we warm up, and you guys are all familiar with the warm. Mike's not. Wait till Mike finds out about the warm up. Yeah.
Is the warm up harder than the walk?
Yeah. It actually is. You're going to have to stretch before you show up.
What did I get myself into? I don't have to wear the tie for that, do I?
No, but you should wear your pink.
All right, I'll wear my pink warm-up suit. How's that?
All right, we'll see you guys there. Good luck with everything. Bye.